Come test drive the 2018 S7. The S7 is the zenith of Orion engineering, so clear-cut in its purpose and accomplished in its execution that it might actually be all the car you'll ever need, and is priced below $95,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.